And 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Good. All right.
How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, bringing you another Tyler Teaches. We are teaching the third step of the beginner treble reel series. This third step takes it up a whole nother level. It builds off of the two previous steps. So if you haven't learned those two steps, I'd recommend you head on over to those videos first, learn the first step, learn the second step, because they build off of each other. This third step builds off of the previous step, and we'll build then to the fourth step. So we're on our way, we're halfway there. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and help me grow this Irish dancing platform on YouTube. It'd be great. And also hit that bell so you know when the next video comes out, when that fourth step drops. Yeah, this is a great place to start if you're new to Irish dancing, a nice introductory beginner basics type of series. So if you know anybody who'd like to give Irish dancing a whirl, this is a great place to start. So I'd highly recommend sharing these videos over to them. And if you'd like to support the channel further, you can either head over to Teespring and purchase a lovely shirt like the one I'm wearing right now, or you can head over to my Patreon at patreon.com/Tyler Schwartz, where you can become a producer of the show, get your name added to the producers in my end credits, support the channel further, and allow me to have more time on my hands to make fun videos like this one. So thank you. Also, the music you're hearing right now is brought to you by FEIS App. Whether you need Irish dancing music to practice to, or you just want to vibe to Irish music, FEIS App has you covered with hundreds and hundreds of Irish dance tracks, from hornpipes to jigs to reels. FEIS App is the place to be. I'll provide a link down below if you're interested in checking FEIS App out. Without further delay, let's get into the video.
So our previous step, the second step, finished with bang, step, treble, hop back, treble, step, and treble, hop back. So now we're gonna take that concept and we're gonna do a different combination to it. We're gonna start with our bang, like we've been, and we're gonna go into 2 trebles to the front and 1 treble hop back. Let's try it. 2, 3, and bang, step, treble, in front, treble, hop back. Okay, so it sounds like the same ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da that we've been doing with those triples. It should sound very similar, but it's a different combination. We've not done 2 of those treble to the fronts in a row. Now we are. Third step, 2 in a row. Let's try it. 2, 3, and. Cool. Again. 2, 3, and. Again. Just like the other 2 steps, be mindful of your knees, be mindful of your heels. Make sure you're off your heels so there's no extra sounds. When you gradually take it up to faster speeds, you don't want those heels dropping and adding more rhythms and muddying up the rhythms we're trying to put through. Also the knees with turnout. Again, if we have great turnout, our knees start going to the sides. If we had bad turnout, then we wouldn't have to worry about the knees as much and the gaps. But unfortunately, I want the turnout and I want the knees closed up. So I want to make sure that those knees stay nice and tidy. You almost want to put one knee behind the other. So when we're doing treble in front, try to keep that back knee behind the other. All right, let's give it a shot. Ready? 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Cool. Now we're going to repeat it on the left foot with a little difference at the very end. We're introducing a new rhythm. 2, 3, and. So I'm not going back, I'm going with a toe. So we're hitting the top part of our shoe. That makes a little different sound than a back. So instead of, we're gonna make a little different. So trying that on the left foot, 2, 3, and. Okay. Again, 2, 3, and. Cool. from there, we're gonna jump off of our right foot. Actually, no jumping off the right foot yet. Let's go through the whole thing from there. Let's combine it all. So 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Okay. See how that sounds a little different at the end. So they're slightly different, but they're basically the same rhythm, same everything, just with a different ending, different cherry on top. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Cool. Now from there, toe, we're gonna do a new rhythm, a new trick. We're gonna jump off of our right foot and extend it to the right. So jump and heel. So you're gonna bring your heel up, and you're gonna put all your weight onto your right leg and drag the left foot behind it until it's behind in our third position that we want. So from toe, hop, slide, down. Okay. Toe and slide, down. Okay. Now there's an extra little rhythm here that we want, and it's the heel, the front tap coming down from the heel. So off the toe, out, heel, down, down. And heel, down, down. So toe and slide, down, down. 2, 3, and from the toe and slide down, down. Can you see that? So we're gonna push off so we did our toe, we're all our weight's on our front leg, our right foot, we're gonna jump off into that heel. And slide, step, down. And if you're new to this rhythm, if you're new to Irish dancing, I would say don't heel slide too far out. I would keep it very tidy, keep it close for now. Keep it close, get the control. A lot of Irish dancing is applying training wheels where you can and gradually removing those training wheels. So our training wheels for this would be to move a little less at first, get the control, and then bring it out further. Okay, so from the toe, and heels, down, down. All right, 2, 3, and Okay. So how we would add this to the step that we have from the top. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. And heel, slide, slide, and bum, bum, bum. And treble, and back treble, and back treble, and toe. And heel, down, down. So it's right on there. Oop. There's a bug down here. Got it. I think it was a mosquito. Oh my gosh. How cold is it outside? There's no mosquitoes. So you want to keep it right with the rhythm. And heel, slide, down. And heel, slide, down. And 6, 2, 3, and heel, slide, down. So it's right there with the rhythm. So, from the toe, and heel, slide, down. All of our weight's on our left foot. We're going to repeat it on the left foot. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to jump off of our left foot, like we did on the right foot. We jumped off the right foot to extend out. We're going to, and heel, slide, down. Okay? It's almost easier to do it together. So from the toe, and heel, yeah. Kind of like, like da 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 da. We want to kind of swing it back and forth. So from the toe, and heel, back, and heel, back. Okay. So again, jumping off of our right foot, push and heel, down, down. Push off our left, heel, down, down. Okay. Heel, down, down, and heel, down, down. 2, 3, and from the toe, and heel, down, push, and heel. So when we push back, front, the first sound we're making is our right foot when we switch and heel, slide down. In the same way that we go toe, left foot, heel, slide down, right foot, heel, slide down. Okay. Let's take it from the top. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. And front. Into bang, step, treble, hop back, treble, hop back, treble, hop back. So we're finishing our 7, 2, 3 and 8, 2, 3 with something that we're very common with, that we're familiar with. And 7, 2, 3 and 8, 2, 3. So that way, I don't want to throw too many crazy curveballs at you guys' way. So this is to make it a little bit nice, easy slope downhill at the end. After our 2 slides, we're gonna go nice and easy to finish it off. So 3 treble hop backs to finish off the step. Let's try and stumble through this dance all together from the top. 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3. And toe. All right. Now, some extra technique notes. I would say on the toe, again, just like when we're putting our foot down, we want to keep it nice and turned out. So on the other side of our front leg. When we do our heel slide, we want that front leg to be locked. We don't want it to be bent. We don't want to dance low. So we want to pull everything up, heel, up, together. So we want to have that moment here and heel slide there. So when we're sliding, we're bringing that back leg into our nice turnout that we wanted, and heel slide there. Same idea. And then I think that's it. We've covered everything else rhythm-wise. Nothing goes too crazy there, besides the heel slides and all that. Everything else is pretty new, pretty common, familiar, besides the heel slides and that toe. That's a little quick little twist there. So let's take it from the top again. 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3. Good. All right. Let's see what it would sound like to music. We're going to use the same tune we've been using for this series, the Golden Studs set found on the FEIS app. Should probably have my speaker turned on. All right, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3, and 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Good. All right. So there you have it. We have 3 steps done out of the 4. Again, if this step went right over your head, because they are progressively getting more difficult and challenging, replay the class. The best thing about YouTube is we can always take the class over and over and over again. I think you can even replay it in quarter, 3/4, half speed. If some of the dances were a little too fast, you can slow that down even further. I hope that was fun. Hope you learned something. And yeah, again, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, I would really appreciate if you did. Right now it's showing that more people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, and I would really like to grow this channel with you together, so I'd appreciate that. And sharing it with your friends, people who would like to learn some Irish dancing. Hey, let's have some fun while we're still kind of stuck in the homes. What else? Like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like the video, still hit the like. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, be on the lookout for the 4th step in this series. Hit the bell if you'd like to know right away when that video comes out. For now, hope you learned something, hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.